Okay, so this is our 2-minute review of the Henry Jacques perfume that we have recently just purchased. We got this perfume from Dubai, and you can also buy it in the UK and online. In UK they are available at Harrods. In Dubai we bought it from the Dubai Mall. It's quite a premium perfume. So the perfume that we have purchased is called the Mandala. So this perfume has some cedar wood inside there, some sandalwood, some labadum, some leather. It's quite a unique perfume. It also has some dehnal oud inside there, and because of that obviously you can see that it's quite premium. The box, you can tell, is quite good. So when you take it out from here, wow, so it looks really good. The presentation of it is quite classic. It shouts premium, and again, even just the mantle that it's sitting on, you can tell that it's really good stuff, really quality stuff. Okay, so the bottle itself, you can tell the quality with it. When you take the lid off, again you can see the quality. Let's see how the spray is. I'm just going to spray it on my hand. Okay, so the spray itself is quite good. It has the H at the top, which obviously tells you that it's from Henry Jacques. Okay, so this, you can actually smell the cedar wood and the sandalwood, and it smells really nice. It's got quite a leathery scent as well, and again very unique. This is not something we're going to be wearing every single day because of the price factor, but something definitely for those special occasions. This is our 2-minute review. We've got a few seconds left. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.